Alright, this is a Buick Terraine. Come on, let's see this has an issue changing the transfer case on here because it is broken, cracked. This came out right here. So we're taking this off and we gotta remove this exhaust right here.
Back bolt close.
And we see up here.
Oh boy. That help?
You gotta reduce that, but this has a crack in the manifold. Two cracks going right there, so that's gonna have to be replaced. We gotta move those bolts out to move it, but I don't know if this will fall down or not, but it's cracked. So it's gonna have to be replaced later on. All right, so this is the Buick Terraine. What is it?
GMC.
GMC Buick Terraine.
Buick.
Is that GMC? I said Buick. GMC Buick is a Buick. I mean GMC
Buick,
Terraine.